What's going on, guys? It's Nico Moreno here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how I make $20,000 per month in passive income. So yes, there's other ways that I make money and there's other things that I do, but I'm going to show you one specific passive income source that makes me $20,000 a month where I literally don't have to do any work. So I think a lot of people don't really talk about this and don't really share much about it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you exactly what it is, and really it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna pull back the curtain and show you guys in just a second. Also, at the end of the video, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway and I'm gonna show you guys how you can enter to get a free copy of my copywriting course, okay? So my copywriting secrets course, this is one of the first courses that I ever created. So stick around to the end of the video and I'm gonna show you guys how you can enter to be a winner of the copywriting secrets training course. All right, so let's hop over to the computer screen and I'm gonna show you guys my passive income source that makes $20,000 a month. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right here on the screen exactly how it happens. It's completely like life-changing. And so I just really wanna stress the importance of, at the very beginning, I know all you guys who are watching, you may be like kind of at the beginning of your journey with entrepreneurship, or you may be a bit more advanced. Wherever you are, like it's always important to have in the back of your mind, okay, how can I eventually turn this into a passive income stream rather than always working for it, okay? Because it's 7:47 a.m. on a Sunday morning and already got $1,000 sale, passive, like I didn't do anything for it. So I just really wanna stress for everyone who's watching this, like that's where your mind needs to be going long-term, okay? In the beginning, you're gonna have to put in that upfront work, but then it really is totally possible to have multiple passive income streams. Okay, so enough with that. I'm going to show you right here on the screen. By the way, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell notification to get more videos from me. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and let's just get into it. So what I'm going to show you here is how I make $20,000 per month passive with chatbots. Okay, so first off, let's just go into a little bit about what is the thing that people are actually purchasing that is making the money? Okay, so I'm gonna show you real quick right here on my YouTube channel. I just know that the link is here and easily accessible, so it's right up here. Oh dang, I don't even have, okay, so this is the webinar. I thought it went directly to the sign up page. Okay, so here's what people are buying. Let me show you. So it's my Messenger Bots course. A lot of you guys probably already know that it exists. But yeah, it's just an online course. So essentially what happens is people come here, they usually have maybe watched the webinar or watched some of the videos on my YouTube channel about how to make money with chatbots. And that's pretty much it. And then they just come here and buy it. You can either buy it with credit card or you can also buy it with PayPal. You can even do PayPal credit too. And what we've got here, so let me show you, this is kind of like where the magic happens, okay? So what is this thing? Well, this is a chatbot pop-up. So see what happens, it says, let us know if you have any last minute questions before you sign up, right? So this is pretty cool because you can get people who are like literally on the fence as far as like they're about to buy your course, but maybe they have one question. They're like, does this work where I live? Does this work? Like, do I need to be like a coder in order to build a bot? Do I need to have like coding experience? Stuff like that. So basically people will enter my chatbot through a number of ways. So there's a place that they can enter it right here. We'll say like continue as Nico. And let me show you what happens. So here's a message. It says, hey Nico, thanks so much for your question about MBFE course. We'll get back to you ASAP with an answer. And so I'm going to say, hey, does this require tech skills? Okay, and then see what happens. So I sent that in, and as soon as that gets, that should turn to blue, but let's see here. So now I'm on my Facebook business page, which is what you need in order to hook up a bot, or you need to, in order to receive messages from your bot, it has to be hooked up to your business page, not your personal page, okay? So then we're gonna go to inbox here, and you gotta do a little bit of like actually linking up your ManyChat account to your Facebook page. But let's see, while this loads, there should be a message from me to my face. Yep, so here we go. Hey, does this require tech skills? See how cool that is? And the really cool thing, so then I can reply from my page. So that, Nico, is my personal Facebook profile. and this one is the business page. So the really cool thing is you can have team members on here. So as in like not me, like I can have like my virtual assistants be on here, like typing back and replying right away. And I'll just say, and instead they could be doing this for me. So I don't have to do anything, right? They can just answer the question and I can say, nope, you can build your first bot in about 5 minutes, even if you're not a coder. So I could instead have someone on my team just hire someone for like $3 an hour, which is what I do, and have them respond to these questions, right? Like right away, answer the question and then watch. Go back over here and see they've responded over here. It says, nope, you can build your first bot in 5 minutes, even if you're not a coder. And then I'm just gonna be like, cool, I was on the fence. That was the thing that was holding me back. Now I know my answer and now I'm gonna buy the course, right? So it's super, super huge game changer. Okay, so how are people, okay, let me take a step back. Sorry guys, I'm just really excited. I'm really amped up. And so really what the core thing to learn is you really do need to separate your time from your income, right? So of course, it took me a while to create this course. I've launched it like now 3 times. So I've relaunched it. I've made the info inside like way, way better and more current. And yeah, it took a lot. It took time and effort for sure to create the course, create the sales page and everything, and to like really be making sure that people were getting results. I actually just got, darn, let me see if this will, I don't want the screencast to end, but let me see if I can show you. I just got, okay, hopefully you guys, oh man, I bet you will not be able to see this. That's my bet, but we'll find out. I just got this guy right here who says 12K setup fee and 3K a month recurring. So like that's freaking incredible, okay? So anyways, it took me a while, of course, to create the content and create the course and make sure that people were actually getting real results. But after that, then what you can do is you just make sure that people are aware of what your course is and they know how to go get signed up for it. So here's what I do, like on my YouTube channel, for example, which is one of the places, I don't even have that many subscribers, but I get a ton of sales just from here. So let me show you, okay. So like, for example, I have a full playlist right here that's on chatbots, right? So people can just find this organically. This is the most popular one, how to get 6K bot subscribers. We'll see 72 videos. And I've just been like, you know, posting my stuff there for a while. So chatbots. So like, for example, I would just put the link right down here, right? And that's it. So some people would actually, there's my cousin. So some people would actually like, you know, this only has 171 views. You know, a couple of those people would probably be interested in, you know, taking the course. And so let's say, you know, whatever, 10% of them are like, hey, that sounds really cool. They click on it. And then like maybe like 1 or 2% of those people will actually like buy the course, right? So that's it, you guys. It's literally just a digital course and information product. And you don't have to create one. Here's the thing. A lot of people think that it's like really, really hard and time consuming to create an online course. And the reality is like, yes, this took me quite a bit of time and effort, right? But it doesn't have to be that way. Like you can create like a $47 ebook, right? And people will pay for a $47 ebook, or like a short training, $57 product. We just recently, I created like a little product that took about an hour and a half. It cost that's how long it took me to make it. It cost $57. And I created it with like another person. And it's literally done like within the past couple months, it's done like $46,000 from a $57 product. Like it's crazy, okay? So really the thing that I just wanna like open up your eyes about is how easy it really is to create an information product based off something that you already have in here, a skill or knowledge that you already know. Just put it into a digital information product, such as a course, ebook, video training, membership site, whatever it is. And then, you know, it's all about just like getting people to see that, getting the right people to see that. and then you could really make a significant income. And a lot of it, once it's created, could be very, very passive. So anyways, just wanted to hop on here and do a quick video for you guys, mostly because, I don't know, it's a Sunday morning and I was just feeling like so grateful that that sale came in before I was even like fully awake. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and say, it is absolutely possible, okay? So just keep going, keep going. Let me know if you got any other questions down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to hit subscribe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you received any value from it. All right, thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, I think a lot of people just don't really ever talk about this. So I just wanted to show you guys currently where I'm at, like with my YouTube channel. I think we have about 2.5K subs right now. So it's pretty powerful. So wanted to share that with you guys and just thought it was really interesting. Might actually be releasing another course on like how to create your own course. I know it's kind of like a meta thing, but a lot of people have been asking me and it's been a topic that I actually have been wanting to teach people how to do. So if that's interesting to you, then like let me know in the comments down below and I might do that because I've made quite a lot of money just with various courses and like information products. And I think it's a really valuable skill for people to pick up. So go ahead and let me know if that's interesting to you down in the comments if you think it would help, if it's something you want to learn about. So now let's get to the giveaway. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be choosing one person and I'm going to announce the winner in the next video. So make sure that you hit subscribe and you hit the bell notification to get notified when the next video goes live. All you have to do is two things. Number one is just comment down below. Just leave me a comment down below of what you thought about this video, if you thought it was cool, if you thought it was interesting, other things that you want to learn about, anything. So just leave a comment down below. That's step number one. And step number two is just follow me on Instagram. Okay, so I'll leave a link to my Instagram somewhere down below. And all you have to do is just one, comment on the video, and two, follow me there on Instagram. And then in the next video, I'll be announcing who the winner is, okay? So one of you guys who does both of those things, I will pick a winner and I'll announce you in the next video and then I'll DM you on Instagram with a link to get access to that course. All right, thanks so much guys. It's been Nico Moreno here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified if you're the winner.